Hi everyone, welcome. Cynthia Petion here, CEO with Novatech. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Let me see here if I can get my camera going so you can at least see me. And here we go. Hi. Hope everyone is well. Thank you for joining our meeting today. We're just going to be going over a presentation. There's no training or anything involved. So if you're hearing about our opportunity for the first time, welcome. Thank you to your host or whoever invited you to our meeting today. So what we're going to be going over is basically who we are, what we do, our services, and how you can get involved if you choose to do so. Right now, the room is full at capacity early, actually. Quite an overwhelming turnout for the first meeting of the year. Online with us, we have Mr. Eddy Petion. We have Ms. Candy from South Africa, who is one of our trainers, and Mr. Vincent Thomas is also a panelist here, who is one of our leaders from the New York region. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's get into the formalities first. Everybody loves disclaimers. But just wanted to let you know that the use of our information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, all right? And that you agree the company is not liable for the success or failure that is directly or indirectly related to our purchase of our services, information, or products. We are in the live market trading cryptocurrency and Forex. It's always our goal to make sure there's profit. However, trading cryptocurrencies as well as Forex does involve substantial risk. May not be suitable for everyone. All right. Also, you do need to be 18 years of age or older in order to participate in our program. All right, let's talk about the founders. You have myself, Cynthia Petion, CEO of Novatech. You have Mr. Eddy Petion, who is our COO, our Chief Operations Officer. And then you have Mr. Ricardo Roy. He is the Chief Technology Officer or the CTO of the company. Between the three of us, we have over 40 years of combined experience in blockchain technologies, cryptocurrency, Forex and crypto trading, networking, team building, sales. You'll find profiles of us in the back office as well and on our website with more detailed information about our background, our education. We're all, fans of trading. I think it's an amazing opportunity, this program in particular, to get involved in a live trading market. A lot of people, find it extremely lucrative, and of course, it does come with its risks. But between the program that we have running, including our trading services for our customers and our affiliate program, I think we've put together a very nice combination of items that you wouldn't typically find on the market succeeding. So what do? We're a registered hedge fund broker. We operate our own trading platform with one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. We offer a Metratrader 5 trading platform. You can go on any Metratrader 5 app, free downloads in the App Store and Google Play, and download Metratrader. Look for us as a broker, and you'll find Novatech there. We do need to be in good standing in order to be able to maintain our platform with them. And our particular platform offers both PAMM accounts, which we're going to be going over, and MT5 accounts, which you can actually trade on live for yourself, wherever available. We offer a cryptocurrency payment gateway, which allows you to make quick deposits and withdraw quickly as well as an affiliate program that's tied into this as well. So what is crypto and Forex trading? What is it that we do? So trading is a conversion of one currency for another. So in the case of crypto trading, you can buy and sell digital currency, like Bitcoin or any other altcoin. It's a digital currency that operates independently of any central bank. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is a global decentralized market as well, but it's for the trading of fiat currencies. And this market determines our foreign exchange rates. It's one of the most actively traded markets in the world. It averages over a daily trading volume of $5 trillion a day. Now, Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. These markets work kind of more like 9-to-5 markets. They open and close during regular business hours. The reason why it's 24 hours is because you have different markets opening and closing. So you may have Germany opening, the U.S. opening, or Japan opening, or Australia, all at different times of the day. So it allows it to be around the clock item, at least, Monday through Friday. It does not operate on the weekends. However, cryptocurrency markets do not close, so we're able to trade and participate in those markets 7 days a week. So let's talk about our trading program, which is our bread and butter here at Novatech. We started this program back in 2019, June. Specifically, we launched the company and started our first trades in August of that same year. So we're now going into our third year of operation, which we're extremely happy about. But the majority of our clients, although we do have an MT5 platform that we trade on, you can trade on there as a retail client as yourself, but we find the majority of clients don't have the experience needed, or they just don't want to take the risk in trading themselves. So they participate in what we call our PAMM program. Now, this is not just a Novatech program. This is industry standard to have PAMM accounts. And these are percentage allocation management modules. Okay, so what essentially that means is that you're participating in a pool with other members as well, and funds are traded together. So some of the highlights of this type of program, specifically here, is we have a live Metratrader platform. No experience is required, because once you make a deposit, we start to trade it for you. All right, it is fully automated, so there's nothing really for you to have to do in order to maintain that account or participate in the trading, as long as you're signing up for a PAMM account. We do have an online support portal. Our support team operates 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. They are closed on Sundays and holidays, but on that portal, you can type in just about any question and get a formulated response. Or if you wish to speak to somebody, you can open a ticket there for support as well. Our program also allows you to upgrade or cancel at any time. All right, so we'll be going over some of those details as well. So working with Novatech and having our own platform and being brokers gives you a live trading experience. All right, so we are trading for you live on the global market, and you can actually, by downloading the Metratrader app, like I said earlier, you can open up a demo account, trade for yourself, and kind of get a feel for what it is that we do here. That is available for Windows, iOS, or Android. And if you visit our website at Novatechfx.com, you can actually find a link to download it yourself onto your phone or your desktop. In your back office, you can also track your progress. We post trading performance reports weekly to the back office so that you know how it is that we performed. This chart is an actual live chart from the back office. All right, so you can kind of see the activity, how it varies from week to week. One of the things people ask us a lot is, or sometimes a market, which is not really accurate, is that we have either a fixed amount, or you can expect a certain amount, or this is what we average. But you'll see here, just by looking at this chart, how it can vary from week to week, month to month. All right, now this is what the Metratrader 5 app looks like if you download it on your phone. And many of our traders use this. Some of them prefer to use their desktop, but some of them use their phone as well. And because we have our own platform, you'll see this little ticker coming in and out that has a yellow banner that says real on it. Real means it's a live account trading on the market. Novatech is labeled there as well. Every one of our traders who has access to this, we can monitor. Okay, so Mr. Petion will be going into some of the details about how we pick traders and what kind of loss mitigation practices that we use in order to help prevent any kind of major loss on these accounts. In this next slide, I want to show you real quick. You'll see here a bit of a trading snapshot. And I'd love for Mr. Petion to go over this part as well. But one thing that you'll notice here in this red box, it's showing 1 to 100 of over 24,000 trades that took place in this time frame. Now, people want to know all the time, can they tap in? Can they look at this? One of the things that we let people know, quite honestly, we have several different traders working for us. They're in different types of accounts, and some are trading crypto, some are trading fiat, some are using a combination of both. It's literally thousands and thousands of transactions to try to report. So we prefer to do it this way because it's more of a conversation. We did, I always tell people this story because we can laugh at it now. It wasn't very funny in the beginning, but we wanted to give so much transparency on our program and our accounts that our platform actually traded inside of everybody's individual accounts, and every single person can see every trade that was open and closed. That logistically became a nightmare because people were logging in all day long just to see what the activity is. And sometimes trades are open, guys, for hours, minutes, but sometimes they're open for days and weeks, waiting to get into profit. So it was kind of creating a bit of anxiety for our members to have to see that activity going on, as well as a great deal of stress for our traders who are now getting messages to, what are you doing with this trade? Are you opening it? Are you closing it, or whatever? As we increase also, you'll see here, again, it's showing almost 25,000 trades that we've created. This is a highlight also showing you the average trades per month, and you'll see this was dated just a few days ago, and starting in 2019. We were actually using the platform, testing it, and performing trades before we actually launched it. But Mr. Petion, I'm going to mute myself for a minute. Would you mind explaining today what methodology we use to pick and select our traders, whether or not they're using artificial intelligence, and how we monitor that activity?
Hello, everyone. Eddy Petion here, CEO of Novatech. But thank you again for all of you for being here. We do get a lot of questions about how the operations in the background, like how we select our traders. How many trades a day do we open? I mean, you've seen some of the snapshots here. We may go do like over 4,000 trades in just a month, and you might see some months that the trade volume is low. Why? Because it's volatile depending on the market conditions. So as far as our traders themselves, is that we go through a very rigorous program of selecting our traders. We put them through a pilot program for at least 30 days, and where they actually have to prove themselves that they actually can trade. And those 30 days, they are not trading on live accounts. They are demo accounts that we monitor 24/7 to see the style. Because each trader, guys, have their own unique styles. However, the key is that we first want to ensure that they can handle proper risk management by setting up certain trading objectives that every trader have to abide by. And it doesn't matter how good they are. If they don't stay within those objectives, we will let them go. I mean, we've gone through traders. We probably screen about 20, let's say we screen about 20 traders. Maybe one or two will make the cut. And even at that one or two, maybe one will probably end up staying with the company for a long time. So things that we do just for you guys that are traders out there is that we do have minimum trading days, like during the week, or maximum trading days. We try to stay out of the market on the volatile days, like let's say it's a holiday or something drastic is going in the world where it's moving the market like crazy. We try not to stay in the market. So they have the maximum daily loss, maximum total loss they can have on any account, and they have a profit target. Doesn't mean that they're going to meet that profit all the time, but we stay very conservative. We don't want a trader making 20% for us today and the next day they lose 30%. Rather stay consistent. Even if a trader do 0.5% that day, we happy. So that's how we select our traders, and that's how we've been very successful in what we do in the past almost 3 years now, and what the company is now today. And every day we grow. We're always looking for great traders, but yes, we welcome new talents every day. And we've learned a lot too from our traders, and we keep a very good relationship with them. They become like a family. So Novatech is a family business, and we want to keep it that way. But but thank you guys. This is Cynthia. I'm gonna let you go ahead and take it along. I'll let you drive the bus now.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, and
All right.
Happy New Year to all.
Thank you. All right. So there you have it, the long and short of trader selection and how the program works with our traders. Again, every trader has an individual account based on their level of experience, and they are given objectives. So if they travel outside of those objectives, or even if they just need time off and they can't monitor their trades, we have total control of every single account that runs through our platform, which is the reason why we decided to use our own platform as a broker as opposed to just trading on someone else's platform. Okay. Now, what makes our program different from your other programs? First, there's no expiration dates. As long as you want to trade, you can continue to trade. And at any time, if you want to stop, you can do so also. So we don't give you a contract that tells you, okay, you're maxed out at a certain price, time to go or join a new contract. It's just an ongoing account, and you're free to upgrade it at any time. You can cancel it at any time, and you also have access to your capital. All right. So if you make a deposit and you were to withdraw from it, or withdraw some of it, or just decide this program isn't for you, or you need to back out for a few months and come back later, that's totally fine. Whatever you deposit, we're trading with it. So whatever we report every week that you earn as bonuses are profits made from those balances. And if you decide at any time that you don't want to participate in the program anymore, you're free to withdraw your balances as well. We also don't put any earning caps. All right. Our program, you'll see as we go along, is very heavily profit-based. So we don't have a need or necessity to put caps on your earnings. And there's also no withdrawal limits. So we don't cap how much you can take out a day. Over a certain amount, we may ask for ID just to make sure that it's you actually making a withdrawal. However, there are no limits. You can take out as much as you need or have to on a daily basis. So let's talk about our trading packages. We have several different packages that you can choose from. However, it starts at $99. Every single one of these packages works the same way. They have different names, but the functionality of them are the same. Now, we have what we call a builder account. Guys, it is called a builder account for a reason. This program does charge a $25 a month service fee, which starts billing to you after 30 days of service, after you registered your account. And this program allows you to start at $99. However, you can imagine if you're making trading bonuses on $100 a month and having to pay a $25 monthly service fee, your balances can quickly disappear. The reason why we have that particular program is because there are many people who want an opportunity to get started with a program like this and be able to build on it. Maybe they plan to add more balances later. Maybe they plan to use the affiliate program, which we're going to be going over in order to earn more income. A lot of people ask us, why do we have it? But it's because we know a lot of people, especially in the line of business that we're in, that just want an opportunity to start somewhere. And I can probably name several, people just off the top of my head who started at that $99 and are now trading, a great deal more. Then you have your bronze package, which starts at $500. All right, if you want to jump into the trading activity and start to see any kind of real profits that you can benefit from, this is the package, the minimum package that I would recommend. We also have the silver, the gold, and a platinum account. All of these work pretty much the same. The only difference between them is how much you are actually trading. Now, you can also start anywhere here and deposit more as you want. This program allows you a great deal of flexibility so that you can add to it as you progress. All right. Now, we do have a couple of higher packages. This was actually initiated because there was a need for it. We had people who really liked the program and were growing quickly with it, and we decided at some point to just add additional benefits for those who are entrusting us with their business and looking to continue to grow with us. So what we call our VIP members are anyone who are trading $25,000 up to and including $99,999. Again, you get your weekly benefits. But in addition to that, you get a 1% cash back, which gets awarded monthly. And your service fee is now waived once you reach $25,000. Now, the minute you make a deposit, it typically starts trading within 24 hours. All right, so we pay out our trading bonuses every Friday. We do not pay it daily because it's just too hard to manage. We're trading on the open market. There may be a day of loss. It becomes difficult to report earnings that day or percentages if we're only trading for that day and reporting it on a daily basis. It also doesn't help us account for any loss because sometimes a week doesn't just include profit. It includes whatever losses were made during that week as well. So what we pay out on Fridays, and that's anytime on Friday before midnight. Sometimes we pay it earlier, sometimes we pay it later. It depends what time we close the books or decide to report earnings. We try to get it done as early as possible just because we realize it is Friday and you may have questions about it, and we want to try to keep support online at the same time so that you can get the most assistance. But technically, the earnings for your trading balances can be reported anytime before midnight on Friday. All right, but once we push those earnings to your wallet, it's available for immediate withdrawal. And lastly but not least is our President's Club account. And this is for anyone who's trading $100,000 or more a month. Now, for both of those programs with the cashback, you do have to be trading for a full calendar month. And we do that so that people don't make these deposits, they earn rewards, and then they pull it right back out. That wouldn't be really good for business. But the President's Club, instead of a 1% cashback monthly reward, it gets a 2.5% cashback. All right, so the way the cashback program works, guys, is that whatever ROI you're paid for the course of that month, all right, so let's say you're trading President's Club level, which is $100,000 or more, and you earn, I'm just going to use a round figure, $5,000 that month in earnings, okay, in ROI. So we will take that $5,000, we'll calculate 2.5% of it, and we'll credit it back to your account. That goes into your bonus account because as a trader, you have two accounts with us. You have your bonus account, which is where all your earnings get deposited, and then you have your trading account, okay? And those are the funds that are trading on the market. This program for the President's Club also has no monthly service fees, but in addition to that, after a full calendar month of trading with us, that means from the 1st to the 30th or the 31st of a month, we give you $1,000, what we call a gift card bonus. We just credit $1,000 to your bonus account. You can use it however you want. You can withdraw it. You can use it to upgrade your account. But it's just a thank you again for allowing us to manage your trading account for you. In addition to this, we have a dedicated support portal. You can reach this one of many ways. You can either send us an email to support@novatechfx.com. You can go directly to the portal website, or you can click Help Desk in your back office, all of which take you to the support portal in order to help answer questions. Anybody submitting a ticket here, just know that it can take 24 to 48 hours for somebody to reply. Weekends and holidays may take a little longer because they are closed on Sundays and holidays. Now, you can also here, you'll see enter your search term here. Any question that you have, whether it's about payments or how ROI is calculated or any of those things, you can just start typing the question and it'll pop up as well, different variations of answers. And hopefully that answers most questions. But if you need further assistance, you can go ahead and proceed with submitting a ticket. And they're very good at replying. We're actually looking at beefing up support as well so that we can maybe either introduce more people or more hours to the support portal. Me personally, you have sponsors as well who help enroll you in the program. I think it's always helpful to go to them first. They're already in the program. They're already participating in it. They already know how things work. Although they can't access your personal accounts, no one has access to that other than you. So they can't go in and tell you, okay, well, this is how much you got paid and why and everything else. That would be directed towards support. But most sponsors here can answer general questions, and you'll probably hear from them a lot quicker. So I would say your first point of contact should be your upline, and if they're unable to assist you with what you need, by all means, redirect your question to the support portal. Amazing group of people. They always do their best to help answer questions, and we're a little nutty about getting back within a certain amount of time. I know we're dealing with everybody's money and accounts here, and you guys want to be able to get service as quickly as possible. So I see you guys are continuing to drop questions on the group as well. So thank you for those. We'll try to get those answered as we move along. So that is our trading program. Now, some of you may have seen, also have heard that, we have other ventures that we wish to include or have already included under this umbrella of Novatech. Now, of course, the trading market activity is the bulk of what we do, but we're also division of SmartBit, which is ATMs, Bitcoin ATMs that we launched here in Florida first. That requires a FinCEN license, and that was actually in the work before we even started this. I think it took, 2 years to get licensing for that as well. We also have crypto sales in the back office. You'll see there's a link there that says buy crypto, and these are all things that we've incorporated to help continue to generate revenue for the business, because trading is risky, and it can be up and it can be down. And we want to make sure that we have a sustainable program that we can continue to grow with. So let's dive into the business opportunity. Now, just to be clear, what we're calling the business opportunity is the affiliate program. This is the program where if you're building teams, you can benefit further from it. It is by no means a mandatory program. And I'll be honest with you, of the members and customers that we do have, I don't think more than 35 to 40% actually participate in the program. So this is designed for your use if you wish to use it. But a lot of people just trade on a weekly basis with us, and some decide to take advantage of this as well. All right, so let's explain a little bit about how that works. So because it is an affiliate program, there's typically certain types of models that go along with that, which we're going to be going into. So being from, an MLM background ourselves and crypto background ourselves, we've participated in several different programs and had a really good opportunity to learn what worked and what didn't work. Our primary backgrounds, again, are in business, all right, and building businesses and making sure that they function properly and are profitable. All right. And so what we did was we created our own hybrid version of a compensation plan that took all the parts that we thought did work in an affiliate program, and we tried to remove as much as possible what we thought would not work. And that could be for a multitude of reasons. Now, to go over the different types of plans, which I think is kind of important to understand why ours is structured this way, you have a unilevel. All right. Unilevels is when every time you join somebody, they fall in your first line, right? So these types of programs are very simple to explain. You enroll somebody, they become your first level. You typically get paid on all your legs when that happens, but it doesn't provide you any what we call spillover in this market. And that's your upline helping you build as well, because when they add on somebody, it goes as part of your team. That doesn't exist with a unilevel, because every time somebody gets signed up, they only belong to the sponsor themselves. So it makes it a little difficult, in our opinion, to build teams and have active, strong building downlines, because it's almost like every man for themselves. Now, you have binaries. Binaries are a little tricky. You get a lot of spillover with them. And if you have a really, really good position, you'll continuously get spillover, okay? Because the people above you can only place people in one or two places, left or right typically. And if you happen to be one of those lucky people who has an account on the far left or the far right, then you'll continuously get spillover, and then you just have to work one half of your business. Problem with that is that if you're not one of those lucky people, and most of us aren't, you get stuck on these inside legs with no spillover, no assistance. And, again, in our opinion, binaries aren't the most sustainable type of business model. They typically pay for infinite levels, or they favor strong builders and continuously pay on those. And so the problem we've found with those is that, although it's, like the golden goose for somebody who's a strong networker and has a great position, but the majority of people didn't benefit, and they cause compensation plans to drain very quickly. All right. However, we do understand with an affiliate program and network marketing the importance of having spillover. So what we did was we took a combination of these features and put together our own plan. So it's almost like a matrix, the Novatech plan, in that when you enroll somebody, you can put them anywhere in your downline. You can put them left legs, right legs. You can put them on inside legs. Let's say you have somebody who's positioned, fourth level, somewhere in there, and they need assistance, and you want to provide them with a new member. You can totally do that. We have what we call a holding tank. And when you sign up a new member, you have 48 hours, very important, guys, 48 hours to choose anywhere in your structure where you want to place them. And that will give volume to that person that you're placing them under, as well as the uplines, without taking away your commissions. So this person would still be your direct sponsor. They would still be considered, let's say, your first level, but you can put them anywhere in your structure to help your team build as well. Okay. Our program is also heavily profit-based, and we also have what we call dynamic compression. We did take a certain part of the unilevel structure, which is that our commissions on this program pay up to a certain number of levels. And you'll see that in the detailed comp plan, which is also available in the back office. But a lot of times what happens is sometimes people drop out of the program, or they sign up and they never fund their accounts. And then you're left with all these pockets and dead spaces that you're not getting paid on. So we have dynamic compression built into our program. And what that does is if you have an inactive account somewhere in your downline, it'll what we call compress it, which skips over them and continues a commission on the next line, so that you don't have, again, levels on your commission structure that aren't being paid anything, because that can be devastating to anybody who has a unilevel type structure as well. All right, so these are the things that we've incorporated into the program that we think help the members build successful teams, but also keep it so that it's a sustainable program as well. All right, now this program does have 7 different ways to get paid, one of which is your direct referral bonuses, and that's for people that you directly enroll. You have your indirect referral bonuses, fast track bonus, check matching, my personal favorite, residual bonuses, rank achievements, and Mr. Petion's favorite, profit sharing. So let's just briefly go over each one of those and how they pay. Now, the direct referral bonus, one of the things that the affiliate packages offer that the trading packages do not is a $49.95 license. If you have a PAMM trading account, very important, guys, if you have a PAMM trading account of $99 or more trading, you do not need to purchase this license. However, if you don't wish to make a deposit to trade with us, but still want to participate in the business opportunity, you're totally able to do that. The only thing you do is you buy the $49 license. It's a one-time purchase. It is non-refundable. Okay, and you can upgrade to a trading package at any time. But this allows you to earn every single bonus in the program, regardless of whether you have a trading account or not with us. So when you enroll somebody, this is the direct referral bonus. The affiliate license doesn't pay any commissions to you, okay? However, the builder packages and all the trading packages do. We pay direct referral commissions, not by deposit, but by package. And why is that? 100% of somebody's deposit needs to go into the trading activity. So if somebody makes $1,000 deposit, I have to trade and pay them earnings on $1,000 trading. So that can't be possible if every time they make a deposit, we're taking a percentage of it to pay back to their sponsor and their upline. However, we do recognize you're bringing in a new member and partner, so we pay what we call instead a referral fee. So if they buy a certain package, we pay a referral fee for that package. So for example, if somebody comes in with a bronze package, as you see here, which is depositing $500 to $24.99, we pay a $50 referral fee. All right, that's a one-time fee. But as long as they're trading within bronze, every time they make a deposit, and that includes upgrading their account, we don't keep paying out that referral fee. However, if they upgrade to the next package, we do pay an additional fee. So just to give you an example, if you have somebody here that joins as a bronze at $500 and they add another $2,000 and now they're at $2,500 and that's a silver, the silver pays a total of $125. If we've already paid you $50 for the bronze, we'll pay you the upgrade of $75 so that you get paid the full $125. So it's not 50 plus 125. So that's kind of like double dipping. The prices that you see here, the bonuses you see here, are the total or full amounts paid for anybody trading at that package, which is why you see upgrade amounts. All right. So let me explain a little bit how that works. This is an example of what you would see in your back office for your commission history. So it'll tell you what package your referral joined at. Gold, silver, bronze, platinum, all the way up to president, okay? And then it tells you the award for that package. So it'll show you that a bronze is $50, a platinum is a $500 referral fee. But what you'll also notice if you look here on the bottom is that it'll tell you how much you've already been paid. All right, so this first person here who joined as a platinum is showing a $500 platinum referral fee, but the bonus they received was $375. Why is that? That's because they had already joined that silver, and this user was paid a $125 fee when they joined at silver. So when they upgraded now to platinum, which is a $500 referral fee, we paid the difference. All right, so in this plan, those are the total amounts that you earn. And again, it's a referral fee or a thank you for bringing in new members. All right, but the majority of the funds that get deposited have to go straight into the trading account. All right, so this is one of the few bonuses that comes out of the company profits versus deposits that are coming in. None of this referral program can pay from deposits that are being made. Now, in addition to that, we have our indirect referral bonus. So if anybody on your team enrolls somebody, we give you a percentage of what they got paid as well. All right. This chart you will also find in your compensation plan, so you don't need to memorize it. If you want to take a screenshot, you can, but it gives you a fixed amount every time somebody in your downline enrolls somebody up to 7 levels. All right. One of the fun items we have in our comp plan is the fast track bonus. The fast track bonus rewards anybody within the first 45 days of registration for signing up a certain number of members. All right. So if you register today and within 45 days you personally enroll 3 bronze members, that pays a $100 bonus. That's your bronze fast track. And a silver fast track is if you enroll 3 silver members or higher within that first 45 days, we'll give you a $500 one-time bonus. Now, you can earn one or both of these, but you can only earn it once. So, for example, if you enroll 9 silver members in your first 45 days, it's still just a one payment of $500. However, if you do the same for bronze, we'll pay you the $100 on the bronze as well. So maximum you can earn here would be a $600 one-time payment. All right, so check matching. Again, this is my favorite part of the program because it's entirely profit-based and it grows. It grows with you. So as your teams grow and their balances increase and they earn more profit, this grows with it. And again, there's no cap to it. So the way this check matching works is that when you enroll somebody, and it shows you here, it pays up to 9 levels and how much. Again, that'll be very clearly indicated in your commission history. But when we pay them, whatever amount we paid in profit to them, you also earn a percentage of what they made. It doesn't come out of their earnings. They have their earnings. But the company takes a portion of what we earned and we match it. So if somebody made, say, $1,000 in ROI that week and they're your first level, you earn 5% of that $1,000. And again, there's no cap to this. As long as your teams are growing and they're continuing to make deposits and they're earning ROI, you will, for a lifetime, earn this bonus as well. Very similarly is the residual income. Guys, this is where we give back, okay? I know a lot of people don't like paying fees. We do have a $25 a month monthly service fee. Again, this helps service your account. We are running a live platform. The monthly service fee to Novatech helps pay for a lot of overhead and bills and the platforming and such. But we do give a percentage of it back, okay? So every time members of your team pay their monthly fee, you also get a percentage of that fee given back to you. All right, let's talk about our Rank Achievement Awards. Now, this is awarded once you start reaching positions or ranks within the company. And we used to have a gift or a prize option along with a cash option. We've been doing this almost 3 years now. Not one person has ever actually taken the prize option. People just want cash. It's a lot easier for us. We don't have to ship anything, and you get it immediately because it gets posted to your bonus account, or you can do whatever you need with it. Let's say you just want to treat yourself to something nice, or you have some bills you want to catch up with. It gets posted to your back office right after hitting rank. You can see how close you are to having to reach certain qualifications of our current rank. So when you join as an associate. The first position is a platinum associate, and this is based on volume within your downline. This is where the spillover comes in, okay? So if you have an upline or sponsors that are helping to place people within your downline or your genealogy tree, this helps build volume that you need to reach rank requirements. Now, there are other requirements that come along with it. You can look at the compensation plan to see what those are. But in the back office, we have these really cute bubbles that you can click on for each position within the company, and it'll tell you how close you are to reaching. So it'll say 75%, 80%, 30%. It'll let you know what requirements have already been met and what requirements are still needed in order to graduate to the next level. Now, once you reach director, again, these are cash payments, so they go directly into your account. But once you reach director or higher, and you'll see the requirements there along with the bonuses paid. Director pays a $10,000 cash bonus, paid in 3 installments. So you get 40% the first pay period, 40% the next pay period, and then 20% the third pay period. And that's just to make sure you're maintaining the rank. Again, you're really talking about maybe 1 month's time versus one straight deposit, but those are paid in 3 installments. So for rank achievements, the bonuses paid are anywhere from $100,000 to $100,000, which is extremely significant. Lastly is our profit sharing pool. This is Mr. Petion's personal favorite. Quarterly, we calculate the company's profits. Now, this isn't just your profits. These are the company-wide profits. That's after, bills are paid, overheads removed, and everything else. But whatever the company makes in profit, we take 10% of it quarterly, all right? So every 3 months, 4 times a year, and put it into a profit pool. That pool is paid entirely to senior executives and higher. So the senior executives enter a pool that pays 2%. The directors are in a pool that pays 3%, and the ambassadors are in a pool that pay 5 whopping percent of that. So everybody who is in that pool shares those profits. So this is amazing for people who are just reaching a new pool. And again, it pays quarterly, so every 3 months, this is awarded to you. Only thing I want to point out with this, and everybody loves it, and it really gives a big, a lot of camaraderie and team building and stuff like that, because everybody wants to reach senior executives, so they start getting a part of this pool. But, let's say a typical pool would look like this. One thing we need to keep in mind is that as we continue to grow, those pools will have a tendency to start getting filled up. All right. And a pool that you started in with 2 or 3 people may, over the course of the year, end up looking like this. And then you're sharing, again, those profits with every single person in that pool. So this actually creates a little sense of urgency amongst our members to really excel and try to get to those next ranks so that they can dive what we call into the new pool. All right. Now, we realize, especially with the senior executive, which is a lower rank to reach, that you're going to have a great deal of people reaching those first, right? Because it'll take them time to reach director. It'll take them time to reach ambassador. But what we do is when you do reach those higher ranks, director, ambassador, we move you out of the existing pool into the new one. So what do I mean by that? Let's say you are a director, all right, and you graduated from senior executive to director. You don't get the 2% plus the 3%. You've graduated into a pool that now pays 3% instead of 2%. And we did that really out of fairness also. I mean, if somebody stays in a pool for a lifetime, the new people coming in never have a chance. You know, they get into that pool and they're sharing it with thousands of people, and they don't get to see the true benefit as much as somebody who graduated into that pool sooner. So what we've done with that again is once you reach a new pool, we graduate you into it and you leave the existing pool. The way the pool works, guys, and you'll see this also in the comp plan, the pool starts every quarter. You have to reach this rank before the pool starts so that you are entered into the pool at that rank. If you graduate to a new rank or you're just hitting rank after the pool has already started, you're not going to be included in that because we can't prorate it. You know, we do our profits and loss quarterly, and that's when we figure out how much we made and how much we can give. So we can't say, well, this person got there on day 10 and this one got there on day 60 and we'll pay them this amount and that amount. It doesn't work that way. All right. But as long as you are one of these qualifying ranks before the pool starts, you'll be included. Same thing if you graduate to a new rank while you're already in a pool, we'll pay you for the existing one and graduate you when the next one gets started. Okay. So more or less, you know, this is our program. You can visit our website at Novatechfx.com. If you have any questions, most of the time the sponsor can help share some information with you. Again, if not, reach out to our support portal and they'll be more than happy to assist you as well. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you'll find some value in joining with us. If not, hopefully we'll meet your needs again at a later date. Flexibility is the most important, and we want to continue to both build and grow because overall we want to keep this program affordable and available to whoever wants to join, taking the steps that we need to build it correctly. All right, so happy Sunday. Thank you for joining us again, and we'll talk soon.